Welcome to the Easy channel, and let's start for today. I have no comments for this video. Enjoy!
Holy smokes. Wow.
You see Hoover Street here. Officials say it's one of the most dangerous streets in all of Los Angeles. And now
Police chase again. Enjoy the show.
Go! Are you fucking kidding me?
Just stop. What are you do?
Yep.
Oh my fucking.
Good.
Wow.
Good. Drunk ass fucking people.
Wow.
Yes. Yes.
Oh! Yo! That's him! That's him! Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh
I
shit!
love that.
Oh!
I guess he hit the white van. He trying to escape in style. The blue Jeep tried to overtake, but didn't look behind.
Oil sample real quick.
From the oil can!
Is it hard to look at the road ahead? Watching too many movies can be harmful.
Tweedledee and Tweedledum pulling up.
The following 3 videos show that there are people who are lucky.